You can't control how long it will take you to learn something. You have no control over that. All you can control is how much time you put into the practice and the attitude that you take into the practice. You know what they say about when you're dreaming? It's something like your short-term memories move to long-term in your REM state. So if you're not getting enough REM sleep, you can't actually integrate those things into the longer-term memory. I have a belief that it's the process of getting it into your long-term memory that gets it into your subconscious, such that you don't have to think about it anymore and you have unconscious competence with it. So I think sleep cycles really do make a huge difference. I don't think it's a weird result for you to be getting it all. When you notice yourself being in that place of that, oh, I'm judging myself again, laugh at how the judgment itself actually is prohibiting your progress because it makes you constrict, and in the constriction you become tighter, which has you be able to execute the move less, which has you get more stressed, which has you get tighter, which has you execute it less, and so on in this negative downward spiral. And you can break the cycle by laughing at yourself and saying, oh shit, I'm being human again. That is my favorite. Like, humor is the spoonful of medicine, because I really genuinely believe that laughter, oh yeah, there's like a release in your body, an opening, and I think that that opening is a massive state change. If you can't laugh at yourself, although I recommend it as a practice to try, maybe some meme that you have that's really useful, post it wherever you're practicing so that you can look at it to remember, oh right, I'm being human. I have a personal favorite. It's so perfect to me about the human condition in terms of surrender, because I think surrender is a massive skill that, I mean, there's a trust factor here. You're doing a trust fall. They don't tell you that. The universe, also the universe. Oh, right. Oh, the universe is reminding me I'm holding too tight as opposed to letting go. And my friend Mark calls it the idea of having a guiding light versus a whipping post. Are you using your criteria of getting better to inspire you to become something more, or to make you feel worse about yourself in the process of being in the process, which is the human experience pretty much forever? Hey, it's a game, and like all games, some days we play better than others.